Guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create Snapchat private story. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your profile option. Now scroll a bit down. Over here you'll be having option which says add to my story. So over here it says just for my friends. Below you'll be having this new private story option. Just go over here and now choose the person that you want to add to your private story. So let me just add this and this and create story, save it. Okay, something is going wrong. Create story, save it, and now just press on add to private story, and now just choose and then post it like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.